Very happy new year to all you guys. Hope you guys had a lot of fun this new year. I did for sure. And this is my first video this year, and I thought let me start this video with 3 must-have mounts for every rider, and this is gonna make his life very easy. I'll see you guys right after this intro video. Wow, and welcome back to Weekend on Wheels, and I'm Girish, guys. I have started a new series called Never Out of Fashion, and if you haven't checked that video yet, I'm gonna put a card on top. You can go check that video. And let me straight away start with my 3 top picks of a must-have mounts for your helmet, or a mount which will make your life easier when you do any kind of recording using your action cam. And my very first pick is this little beast, which is a direct replacement for your chin mount. Lot of these current helmets have an issue with the chin mount. Either your mount which is given by the action cams are not going to fit in there right, or you'll have to work around to make it work. But with this little beast, it's so easy. It's just direct strap on. I'm going to give you a small example. This is my current setup for my helmet. You can see there's a little bit of gap in between, and I had to work a lot to get this mounted because this particular portion of my helmet is a little curved, and to get a right mount is a problem. Now what happens with this little mount is direct strap on and you are sorted. This makes your life very easy, and this is switchable, so you can put it to any helmet and just straight away start recording. Pick number 2, this right angle mount. Why would you use this? A lot of time you'd want to record from the side, and this is one mount which sorts all your problem. It directly goes onto the mount like this, and then just slide it. So it's so easy to set up. So whenever I ride or travel, I would like to have mounts or gadgets which make my life easier when I'm doing any kind of recording, and one of which is this. So I would definitely recommend you guys to have one of this if you use your side mount to record any kind of content when you're riding. Pick number 3, and my most favorite mount, is this little mount. This is a wrist mount which goes onto your wrist, and you strap it tight and you can record when you're riding and all of it. I don't use this for that purpose. This is a multi-purpose mount. So what I do is, normally when I'm riding a bike, for example if it's an Himalayan, you have your extended carrier, you strap this onto the carrier tightly, firmly, put your action cam onto that, and you can record everything that is behind you, and or if you want to capture your friend riding and taking corners and all of it. I'm going to show you some shots where I've used this as my rear mount, and you guys would be surprised to see the kind of quality that this can do. This is one of the possibility that I've used, and also the second possibility where I've used this is in the foot peg, where I've wrapped it tight and used that angle to capture a lot of stuff. It's up to you guys what you can imagine and use this little mount to your strength or your benefit, and use it to the best of its capacity. So this is a must-have mount that you guys should have. These are my top 3 picks, without which I would not ever go on to any ride, because these are the things which help me do things efficiently or much quicker. That's what you want when you travel. You don't want to carry too much of a luggage or too much of a mount. These 3 mounts are good and you're sorted. And if you guys plan to buy any of these mounts that I've mentioned now, I'm gonna put a link below where you can go purchase these cool mounts, and hope this helped you guys. If you have any feedback, please comment below. I would be more than happy to read from you guys. If you're new to this channel, guys, please don't forget to hit the subscription button and also the bell icon to make sure you get an update every time I have a new video uploaded. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until the next time, keep it rolling. I'll sign off. Bye bye, guys.